We want to introduce you today to our P90 energy systems. My name's Dwayne Snyder. Our P90 energy systems are tiltable, and throughout the year they will follow the sun. In the long term, turns into far more kilowatt hours and better return on your investment.
The P90 system is 100% local. It's fabricated in southern Saskatchewan and sourced with local materials. Our fabrication team are certified CWB welders, giving us the best product possible. Our product has industry-leading warranty. With an epoxy coating, we expect the lifetime of the product over 40 years. The tilting mechanism of the P90 system allows many benefits, including shedding the snow in the winter and maximizing production throughout the year.
The combination of our tilting mechanism and bifacial solar collectors can produce up to 60% more power. SaskPower offers a net metering program where you can put up to 100 kilowatts on the grid. The net metering program allows you to produce power throughout the year, enhancing the return on investment for your P90 energy system.
With the federal and provincial incentives available, the time is now for renewable energy.
Contact us today. Let us provide you with a customized solar proposal for your site.